everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Laptop Explorer 11. Today I will be explaining what is a variable in Python. So I'm opening Python. It is loading. Yeah, then file. Okay, now I'll go to yeah. Now here, uh, okay. So variable is like a text holder. So variable is a text and it holds another text like if the variable is number, then equals, okay, the number can be maybe 0. Okay, so now if the number is 0, so the number is the variable and 0 is the text that the variable is holding. Okay, so how can you use a variable? If I'm using the print function for some reason, then if I want to type 0, okay, instead of typing 0 I can just type number. Okay, see, number. So number is the variable, right? So now if I run the file, then now it is printing 0. So you can do that for instead of the typing the number. So okay, then another way you can use it, like so if you want to, instead of typing 0, in another way, number, okay, then plus quotation marks, then here is my favorite number. Now if I run this, okay, so now it has printed 0 is my favorite number. Okay, here space, yeah. Okay, so now it has printed 0 is my favorite number. So first, if you want to do that now, so first you should use the print function, then no need quotation mark over here. Okay, no need the front quotation marks, then number. Okay, number is the variable, I told you, right? Then plus, then quotation marks, then is my favorite number. So the number, if I print, so it will print 0 like before, then plus here quotation marks, then my favorite number. So this is plus means it is going to add some text. So in the quotation marks I have typed my text is my favorite number. So if I run it, that's what happens. It will print this one, 0 is my favorite number. So that's how you do that. Then okay, now okay, instead of number I'll change the variables. Look, the variable can be name, okay, equals maybe John. Okay, so then here name dot. Okay, so now I'll show you how to make this like okay, before that, see, I need to tell you one thing. If the variable is like two words variable, the name, then you can't just type like, okay, think like the name. So see, I've given a space here, night, after the and before name. So there is a space, but you can't do that. Then Python won't understand. So instead of giving a space, you should give an underscore. That will like, that makes the function proper. So if the variable is like one word variable, then you don't need those underscores and all. Okay, then print name. Okay, so now I'll show you how to make name into this, like, see, this John is written right here. So that John, I'll make it into uppercase, but in the variable place I won't change it. So you can do that by typing name dot like uppercase. Okay, instead of upper, yeah, upper. Okay, now name dot upper, or you can also type name dot lower. So to make it lowercase I should type lower. Okay, to make it uppercase, yeah, like this. Now if I run, okay, wait, there's a mistake here. Yeah, wait a minute. Yeah, now I should put empty parenthesis. Now run the module. Okay, okay, John. So you can see here, okay, check this name. Here it is written in uppercase, and here it is written in like normal sentence case. So if you want, okay, like think if this is, all of this is in, delete, all of this is in uppercase. Now to make it lowercase, okay, instead of changing the text in the variable, you can just type name dot lower, like this. Okay, now all that text will become into lowercase. See, so you can change the like how the text appears, okay, like that. So that's it for today's video. Please do like, share and subscribe.